This is just a quick video update on this TV, which about 3 months ago lost the picture and the sound at the same time. But after I baked the motherboard inside the oven, the picture and the sound came back, and it worked well ever since. Some people don't believe that this is real, that you can bake the motherboard inside the oven and fix your TV this way. Others are saying that this is fake and it's actually a brand new TV, and that's why it works. I understand that you can't believe everything you see on the internet, but I would like to reassure you that this is real, and this is definitely not a brand new TV. If you look closely at the screen, you should be able to see some vertical lines running up and down. And I've had those lines for about 2 years now. I don't pay much of attention to those lines, so they don't bother me that much. But obviously brand new TVs don't come with those lines already there. And if we take a look behind the TV, you should be able to see some burnout plastic parts from the baking that I did 3 months ago. Here you can see some melted plastic from the baking, here also, and on the other side, right there, should be able to see that. So this is the same board from my previous video, where I burned it just a little bit while baking, but it is installed in a live TV and it's working as it's supposed to. But how long will it continue to work? Nobody knows. But when it stops, maybe I'll do another video update. Or maybe I'll bake the board for the second time. But if you'd like to see how I baked the board inside the oven the first time, please watch my previous video. And by the way, here you can see those vertical lines even better. Thanks for watching.